2939, Britain for visual approach, runway 27, you are number 1, report when visual.
We are visual, easy 2939.
Easy 2939, roger. Easy 2939, receive traffic information all around you to poor surveillance performance.
Easy 2939.
Now, good morning, easy 2939, visual runway 27.
Easy 2939, Gibraltar Tower, continue approach runway 27.
Continue approach, runway 27, easy 2939.
Easy 2939, runway 27, surface wind 280 degrees, 7 knots, clear to land.
Runway 27, clear to land, easy 2939.
Gulf, 30 miles from touchdown, fly heading 215.
Big 215.
Easy 32 Hotel Golf, Captain for visual approach, runway 27, you are number 1, report when visual.
We are now visual, radar for visual 3, yeah, keep 7. Long mile, runway 27, 8.4 miles.
Easy 32 Hotel Golf, Gibraltar Tower, continue approach runway 27.
Continue, easy 30 Hotel Golf.
Copy 151 persons on board, weather at time 0750, runway 27 and use surface wind 250 degrees, 5 knots, visibility 30 kilometers, nil weather, sky clear, temperature +23, dew point +15, QNH 1014.
Thanks very much, runway 27, runway QNH 1014, we'll speak soon, see you there, 419.
50 feet, check gear, acknowledge.
Gear down 3 green, speed bit 490.
4 miles, 1200 feet. Thousand 500 feet, QNH 1014. Those is 2,500 feet, QNH 1014, easy 53 Whiskey Alpha. Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, fly heading 210 degrees. Heading 210 degrees, easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, 200 feet. Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, clear to land runway 27, touchdown wind 130 degrees, 5 knots. Clear to land runway 27, easy 53 Whiskey Alpha. Runway 27. Terminating at point Yankee, approach minimum at 920 feet. Factoring SRA runway 27, easy 53 Whiskey Alpha.